name is Shelly. I am from Dastakar and I have been working with Daska from last 25 years. And this is the first time we are doing this event over here. This event, Dastakari Bazaar, is starting from, it has just started today, which is from 4th to 12th, and it will continue for 9 days. We will be having 2 weekends, so all of you can easily come and see the bazaar. This Chennai Bazaar we have been holding from last 12 years, over 12 years in fact, but various places. This is the first time we are doing it in YMCA grounds, Koti Vakkam, Boys Town. So please do visit here. And in fact, this is the biggest bazaar ever we have done in Chennai. We have over 120 different stalls, craft stalls, coming from almost like 18 different states. So you can imagine all kind of craft. You will see and you will find here from garments, textiles, bags, decoratives, glass, pottery, furniture, everything is here. And the best part is you must have seen various bazaars in Chennai, but people do claim it's a authentic craft, but you will not actually find authentic craft in other exhibition as we have been putting it and bringing it in the market. In fact, people are using our names. When while we are not here, they are saying Daska Bazaar because Daska has created such a reputation that now people want to follow the same path, but in a different way. We have a lot of things you could see behind me. Lot of fiber products are there, which are sustainable. Bags in jute, sabai, cane, bamboo, reed. Lot of materials are there, which in any case you won't find it in your city. Please do visit and encourage these craftspeople who are coming from all the way from different places, different states, just to showcase their craft, which in any case are somewhere going to extinct in the younger generation, in the future generation. People will not see it if we won't encourage it. So please, your visit is important and to encourage these people. Thank you so much.
One question. You said it's authentic. What about the cost? Price wise?
Price wise, see, in any case, everything is handmade, and handmade things are slightly pricey. But when you understand why this is pricey, people coming from all the way from different places, putting lot of effort. It's not only one person who is making it and selling it. There's a complete process behind it, and several people are employed because of this. And obviously, when so many people are employed, so money goes to everyone, and that's how the cost will also get slightly increased. Don't compare it with the machine, it's all handmade.
Totally, how much stalls here and
We have around 120 stalls, 120 craft stalls are there, and different crafts are there.
so what are the timing?
It's 11 to 8 p.m.
Oh, thank you.
No, Zora, I got something for you. They got kites. Yeah. Hey, we'll do that.